So right now we are going to install 144 550 solar panels. So it's gonna be a total capacity of about 80,000 watts. He has 6 inverters for a total load capacity of 72 kilowatts. We have 30 batteries with 14.3 kilowatt hours each, EG4s of course, and for a total capacity of 420 kilowatt hours. My name is Billy Sanchez. My company is Kenosys Energy Solutions. We are based in Bayamón, Puerto Rico. We mainly work with solar installations. I've been working on solar for 10 plus years. Our main guys at the company have been 20 plus years and counting. So this is actually our 3rd year installing the brand. Everything has been great so far. We will not change. The easy part is the whole assembly. So as you can see, the batteries, they go beneath the inverter, so that helps us constructing the whole system. Also, the conduit boxes that EG4 makes it easier just to run all the wiring that we had to run to be able to get the 6 inverters working. Support has been great, all the way from Kevin to Jeff Clearwater, Anthony Dawood, Carlos. Everyone has been great so far. They help us in all the process with communicating all the batteries, the inverters. It's been great. So my favorite part about EG4 is the how easy the installation looks, how clean it looks, how you can run everything basically without seeing any wiring dangling or anything. And obviously the product works. It doesn't break at all, and it's a machine. So for a product this big is what we needed. My biggest advice is just take it easy, one step at a time. EG4 is gonna help you all the way. So a lot of communication with EG4 and you can do anything basically you want.